Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing great. Today I will tell you how to apply for a hackathon on Devfolio, specifically Code Crafters Hackathon. To apply for that hackathon, just open your favorite web browser and search Code Crafters Hackathon. Then you get a link of Devfolio. Just click on it. On the Devfolio page, you will get option of apply now. To apply, you have to create your IDs if you haven't yet, and if you already created, just click on sign in. I'll create my ID, so I am entering my email. Enter. They will send OTP, so let's wait for that. It may take some time, so we have to wait. Yeah, I got my OTP, so let me fill it. Enter. Yeah, here you get account is verified. So click on continue. Here you have to fill your basic details like my name is Rohit. Uh, Fine. My Devfolio name. Here I can fill like my any name you want. Like I am filling Neo. Okay, and set your password as you want. You have to remember that password because you will have to log in again. Uh, Format. The first letter may be capital. Uh, yeah, done. So now click on continue. Here you will now you have to click on apply now. Apply now. Here you have to apply on Codecrafters Hackathon. You have to fill these details. So let's fill that one by one. Click on continue to the application. Yeah. Here you have to click about yourselves XYZ whatever you want. The person organizers you want the organizers should know about you. You can write here. Okay. Select your gender and click on next. Now here you have to select your degree type. Like I'm doing bachelor's. So now here you have to search your institute like dummy city city university. I'm currently studying at here, so I click this field of study. Like I'm doing computer science. Yes, computers computer science engineering. Month of graduation, like generally it's July to August, so you can choose accordingly. And 25. Click on next. Here you have to fill your GitHub and LinkedIn links. So I already extracted, so it's my LinkedIn and my GitHub. Yeah, now click on next. Here you have to fill your city, like I'm from Ludhiana. Your phone number, any phone number you can, your active phone number, your emergency contact name like your brother or father, anything like I'm writing that. And emergency contact, any their active number. Okay, click on next. Here you have to fill your institute name like CT. Okay, now click on join. There are two options: submit individual application, join or create team. You can choose accordingly. I am submitting it individually. You can create team also. Just click on it and you will get a code. You have to copy that code and send to your team members. Okay, submit individual application. Hang tight, Rohit. Your profile is under review. I've successfully submitted my application to Codecrafters. They will review my application, and then I can visit the event and give my participation. Thank you.